The Evaluation tab lets you easily create analysis for every question that you have. When you access it, you will automatically see that every single question that you have for that particular quiz or survey is also shown here. Click on it and you will see that for each choice of that question, there is a box where you can type your evaluation or analysis. The exception is for the others. When you type in this box over here, there will not be any evaluation that is being shown. Or rather, you should not type anything in the box over here because it is impossible to guess what the user might type into the box. The same goes for checkbox style questions. So in this example over here, I'll simply just type some stuff to demonstrate to you how it works. For example, in question 1, when the user says he is a male, I'm just going to say, you are a guy. And for the next one, if he selects you are a female, you are a girl. Now this is just a very simple and out of the world demonstration. But if you have a more serious question, for example, what would you say is your strongest skill in business? And if the user were to say marketing, then you could go on to add something clever like an analysis to tell him how he or she could use his marketing prowess and experience to help improve his or her business. So here I've just typed something quick for the marketing evaluation. Do note that you also can type in HTML text and code in your evaluation so that you can let your users click on it to go to another link if required. So an example, I can type in things like my Ahref text. I'm just going to link it to google.com. Click here to go to Google. A good use for adding all these links in your evaluation is to add affiliate links when promoting other products or otherwise. After adding your evaluation, remember to click on the Save Work button at the top right to save your work. Do note that to display your evaluations to your users after they complete their quiz or survey, you need to head to the Funnels tab, create a funnel, and the evaluations URL is displayed over here. Simply click on it, and your user will see a page similar to this, in which their answers are being highlighted and then the explanation being shown to them. So if I were to select male, it shows that I'm a guy, and because I selected marketing, it shows that my explanation over here is shown. And notice that the HTML text, the Ahref text, is being displayed here and is a clickable link. There is also another component to the Evaluations tab, and that is the Total Value Evaluation. In the Questions tab video, I mentioned that you can add a value to each choice for each question. This is then used in the Total Value Evaluation, which is basically a method for you to easily give users an overall analysis of their answers. You can also create trivia quizzes such as what kind of character are you type of quizzes. To do this, you click on the Edit Total Value Evaluation button at the top right. The TVE tab will then appear at the bottom of the dashboard. Simply click on the Add New Condition button and you will see several options appear. You can then use value logic to determine what overall analysis the user will get. So for an example, I'm going to click if the value is equals to 5, then I'll say you are a great business person, and then click on the orange Save Work button to save my work. Now I'm going to go back to the Questions tab, and just as an example, I'm going to go to question 2, and then when the user selects the second choice, marketing, I'm going to add a value of 5. Save my work. And now, when the user does my quiz and finishes his or her quiz, they will receive an evaluation similar to this. Oh, before I forget, do remember to check the box Display Total Value Evaluation and save your work. At the end, when your user has selected marketing in your quiz, notice that their choice is being highlighted as well as the points that are shown for that question choice. And at the end of the at the end of the evaluation, because you displayed that you want to show total value evaluation, there is a final analysis area and your total value evaluation analysis is being displayed to the user. Because the value is equals to 5 and the choice that they selected is equals to 5, it shows the appropriate final analysis. This is just one example that you can use total value evaluation for. It is very open, and I'm sure you can put it to interesting and creative uses for yourself. Do note that it is also good to keep the habit of hitting the save button often in this tab. And last but not least, do remember that the URL to display this evaluation to the users is in the Funnels tab, which we will talk about in the Funnels video.